Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Getting Garage. First of the year. Our first video of the year. And what I'm doing today? Well, before I gotta take all these Christmas trees out, and all this Christmas stuff out, and put them in the attic and clean my garage. And by the way, we have headers sitting right there again for the Del Sol. I decided to do brakes on this fella. So I also have to clean all this stuff right here, whatever. But this fella's getting registered this month. So I need to do brakes. I did the battery already. I put 2 tires in the rear already. I need the battery, 2 tires now, doing the brakes. And then I talked to my boy Warren in Japan, and I hope everything's okay with the earthquake that hit yesterday. First of the year that hit an earthquake. I hope you're okay, bro. You haven't called me back, so I'm kind of worried about you. But I'm getting the grill. This is Toyota. I'm also getting the badges, the right badges for it. And we're gonna do the steering wheel badges. There's a car's in ARISTO, yeah. And believe it or not, a lot of it is for sale. A lot of the people's like, but it doesn't say the right name of the car, blah, blah, blah. So I'm gonna take care of that. The S2000 this year is getting some nice upgrades. One of them is gonna be rear brakes, big brake brakes all the way around. This is my plan for all these cars, by the way. So get ready to that one. The brakes started this year with that. This year, this one is getting big brake system. We're getting brand new, not brand new, but radiator from Japan, hoses and everything. Also getting seats, and I gotta take it back to the body shop so they can fix some of this little stuff that I created. I am ordering one more wheel because that wheel's kind of bent, so this is my first spare. Got already 2 new tires on it. I'm gonna get 2 more. This fella right here, my daughter's. This one is getting the hood, and I need to replace the radiator brand. Then I got Colin, my daughter's boyfriend. This is her sister's car, so he's gonna help me out. We're gonna take that apart, put it together. This fella right here, we got brand new seats for it. I got a bunch of other stuff that we have to do. I got the side skirts I have to install. They're already painted. I haven't touched it in a year almost, because this fella right here, it needs the ECU run so we can start it with the fresh gas in it, move it around. Now, for my CRX side, I want to put big brake system. I was going to put suspension on it. It gas suspension, so it's 7 years old suspension or more. It was my Integra, and I swap it to a CRX. I am going this year to a show a car meet in good in West Palm for CRXs. So this baby getting new suspension, new brakes all the way around, and hopefully a new dashboard. And then also want to get a new hood, and then little stuff, you know. First I gotta clean all this stuff. And that guy needs to leave this year by summer. So that's my next project, big project. Then I have the drag car that hasn't arrived since last year, October. The car was painted, hasn't arrived. This guy right here, we're waiting for some bolts to arrive. So we did alignment, and these tires are like kind of crooked a little bit. So we're gonna get it there, and then we're gonna lower it. And you know the Del Sol is getting headers. But that's it. That's my plan for the year. My rear year resolution. Of course, we have the Honda Beat coming over, and we have all the cars coming over. So with that said, I'm gonna move some stuff around, and I want to start on this baby right here. And oh yeah, Adriana gave me for Christmas some Hold on. New jacks. I gotta clear the whole garage. Oh, there they are, right there. Oh, you guys, look how messy I got here. But yeah, I got new jack stands that I want to use. Stay tuned. Let me get the car in the air. Let's get with it, right? Sweet. All right, guys, safety first. I got the jack right there. So, first time me doing brakes on a JDM car. So, I went to his little brother here in the US, and I got the JDM model brakes for a Lexus GS 300. Should be the same. I'm not changing the rotors, it's just the pads. The rotor is good. And let's see what I get myself into. Oh yeah, don't forget to hit. Alright guys, I have to use these big pliers to get the things off. The others in the back are fine. So I'm going to put the first one in. Perfect. Woo! Just like a glove. Now guys, if you know, if you have this kind of car, ARISTO, you can use the GS. Alright guys, it's kind of uncomfortable to work in this area right here because I don't have gravel or nothing in this end. So this car sounds so amazing. For sale, can I tell you that? Hit me up, I'll give you my number. Call me. Let's make it happen. Hey guys, so I'm done with the vehicle. I did the brakes, pumped the brakes. I'm gonna leave the car in the air for now because I gotta get 2 tires for the vehicle before we get it registered. The car is gonna be registered this month, and you're gonna see me driving. You're gonna see more videos of me driving the car everywhere around here. The AC works, power steering works, everything works on the car. So what I want to do, I want to do an oil change on the car later on, because I don't know when the last time somebody did oil change on the car. And that's it. And I put in 2 tires and take it to do the inspection and get the car inspected, get registered, so I can sell it, so I can move on to the next one. Guys, it was a pleasure today doing a short video for you guys on the Toyota ARISTO brake job. Remember, all these cars when they come from Japan, you have to inspect them, bro. Or whatever you buy the car from, you gotta check them. Some of them, they come with messed up tires, or they don't come with good tires at all. You have to do all that. I mean, at least for me, I don't like karma coming back at me. So if I ever show you a car, or ever you buy something from me, it's gonna be in pretty, at least good shape, you know. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit like, hit share, thumbs up. Happy New Year. Hope everything good for the year. You heard what I'm doing for all my cars. You heard what my plans are. And guys, better than nothing, we'll have a good year together, right? Thank you, guys. Share my videos. Hit like if you like this video. Comment on the bottom. Thumbs up. Saludo a mi gente de Puerto Rico y Latinoamérica, DR, Cuba y todo el mundo. Thank you for watching mi canal. Thank you por mirarlo. Dale like, dale share, subscribe. Yo hablo español. Si quieren cualquier cosita, quieren hablar conmigo, dámelo en español y yo te lo voy a dar a ti y te respondo. For all my followers in Indonesia, Japan, Russia, I got a lot of them over there. England, and the whole Europe area. Guys, thank you for watching, making my channel who you guys are. Let's break it to this year for 2,000 subscribers, and let's watch more of my videos. I'll make a promise I'm going to record more videos for you guys. Guys, God bless you. See you from here from Florida. And a beautiful day.